We've all been caught in the turmeric and black pepper trap. We think we know Indian spice, but we are barely scratching the surface of a botanical universe. Thousands of years ago, before gold or oil, the world ran on this. This unassuming resin was so valuable it funded the expansion of empires and was worth its weight in silver. It's not saffron, and it's not cinnamon. Meet Asafoetida, or Hing. It doesn't come from a seed or a leaf, it's the dried latex. The botanical origin. The blood of the root. Asafoetida comes from the Ferula genus, specifically Ferula Asafoetida. It is a perennial herb that looks like a giant, prehistoric fennel plant, often growing up to 2 meters tall in the high-altitude deserts of Afghanistan and Iran. The extraction. It isn't a fruit or a seed. To get Hing, farmers must wound the thick, carrot-like taproots of the plant. The resin. A milky liquid, latex, oozes out to heal the plant's wound. Once it air dries into a hard, umber-colored resin, it is scraped off. This is raw Hing, intensely pungent and concentrated. Phytochemistry. The alchemy of aroma. The reason Asafoetida smells like a mixture of rotting garlic and sweaty gym socks when raw, but like sorted leeks when cooked, lies in its unique molecular makeup. The sulfur powerhouse. The scent is dominated by organosulfur compounds, while garlic relies on allicin. Hing contains a complex cocktail of 2-butyl-1-propenyl disulfide. This is the heavy lifter responsible for that sharp, onion-like punch. Sec-butyl methyl disulfide adds the savory, lingering base notes. The science deep dive. The transformation, heat catalysis. When you drop Hing into hot fat, oil or ghee, a process called thermal degradation occurs. The intense heat breaks these volatile sulfur chains and reassembles them into milder, aromatic compounds that mimic the flavor profile of the allium family, onions, garlic, leeks, and chives. The hidden molecule, ferulic acid. Beyond the smell, the resin contains high levels of ferulic acid. Role. It is a potent antioxidant found in the cell walls of plants. Benefit. In the human body, it acts as a free radical scavenger, which explains why traditional medicine has used it for centuries to treat everything from respiratory issues to digestive distress. In the kitchen, Asafoetida is often called a flavor enhancer rather than a primary flavor. It functions much like MSG. Property of umami, mimicry effect in cooking. It creates a savory depth that makes vegetarian dishes feel meaty and full. Digestive enzyme support. Chemically, it helps reduce the activity of gut bacteria that produce gas, flatulence, which is why it's historically paired with lentils and beans. The bridge. It acts as an emulsifier of sorts for the palate, bridging the gap between earthy spices, cumin, and bright spices, coriander. The modern Hing Trap. If you buy Hing powder in a plastic tub today, you aren't getting pure resin. Pure resin. Too strong to use easily and hard as a rock. Compounded Hing. Most commercial powders are 30 to 50% resin mixed with rice flour or wheat flour and gum arabic. This keeps the powder flowable and prevents the sulfur compounds from evaporating too quickly. If you want a deep dive into chemical match list showing which other spices, like cumin or mustard seeds, pair best with Asafoetida at a molecular level, let me know in the comments. Stay curious and keep seasoning.